Howdy, folks. We're live at 10:35, and we're running a 5-winner mini for Jimmy's figure battle there. I got 45 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Find our winners. Paste them in there, 1 through 45. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. As the dice slowly roll to an 8. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Hans, round 1. Mark 2. Maria 3. Matt 4. Robbie 5. Robbie 6. Mark, round 7. And our winners are Hans, Mark, Maria, Matt, and Robbie. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. GACOSK. There they are. I am done at 10:36. There she is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.